International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer, 16 September. Kindly note that this is an awareness video only. Viewers are advised to verify the contents before using this information anywhere else. The ozone layer, a fragile shield of gas, protects the earth from the harmful portion of the rays of the sun, thus helping preserve life on the planet. In 1985, it was observed that there was a hole in ozone layer. So, United Nations and the world countries came together to protect the ozone and signed Montreal Protocol on 16 September 1987, and hence this day is observed as Ozone Day every year. The phase out of controlled uses of ozone depleting substances and the related reductions have not only helped protect the ozone layer for this and future generations, but have also contributed significantly to global efforts to address climate change. Furthermore, it has protected human health and ecosystems by limiting the harmful ultraviolet radiation from reaching the earth. Over 3 decades of remarkable international cooperation to protect the ozone layer and the climate under the Montreal Protocol has led to the phase out of 99% of ozone depleting chemicals in refrigerators, air conditioners, and many other products. The latest scientific assessment of ozone depletion completed in 2018 shows that as a result, parts of the ozone layer have recovered at a rate of 1 to 3% per decade since 2000. At projected rates, northern hemisphere and mid-latitude ozone will heal completely by 2030s. The southern hemisphere will follow in the 2050s and polar regions by 2060. Ozone layer protection efforts have also contributed to the fight against climate change by averting an estimated 135 billion tons of carbon dioxide equivalent emissions from 1990 to 2010. What is ozone? Ozone is a special form of oxygen with a chemical formula O3. The oxygen we breathe and that is vital to life on earth is O2. Ozone constitutes a very small part of our atmosphere, but its presence is nevertheless vital to human well-being. Most ozone resides high up in the atmosphere between 10 and 40 kilometers above Earth's surface. This region is called the stratosphere, and it contains about 90% of all the ozone in the atmosphere. Why do we care about atmospheric ozone? Ozone in the stratosphere absorbs some of the sun's biologically harmful ultraviolet radiation. Because of this beneficial role, stratospheric ozone is considered good ozone. A number of commonly used chemicals have been found to be extremely damaging to the ozone layer. Halocarbons are chemicals in which one or more carbon atoms are linked to one or more halogen atoms such as fluorine, chlorine, bromine, or iodine. Halocarbons containing bromine usually have much higher ozone depleting potential than those containing chlorine. The man-made chemicals that have provided most of the chlorine and bromine for ozone depletion are methyl bromide, methyl chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, and families of chemicals known as halogens, chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, and hydrochlorofluorocarbons, HCFCs. The Montreal Protocol requires the control of nearly 100 chemicals in several categories. Some ozone depleting substances in different industry sectors are detailed here below. Aerosols, sterilants, and carbon tetrachloride used in medical field. Foams, CFCs have been used extensively in the manufacture of polyurethane, phenolic, polystyrene, and polyolefin foam polymers. Halons. Halon 1211 has been widely used in portable fire extinguishers. HCFCs are widely used in the refrigeration, foam, solvent, aerosol, and firefighting sectors. Methyl bromide is widely used as a fumigant in agriculture, for pest control in structures and stored commodities, and for quarantine treatments. Solvents, coatings, and adhesives. CFC 113 use was essential in many industrial applications, in electronic assembly production processes, precision cleaning, and general metal degreasing during manufacture, as well as in dry cleaning. With the advent of technology, alternate products have been developed in place of these ozone depleting substances and could potentially save the planet. If you like this video and want to view more such useful videos, kindly subscribe to my channel.